Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you need a simple way to organize your home or workspace, we've got you covered. Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best 3-tier rolling utility cart models on the market to help you find the perfect storage solution. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Workpro 3-tier rolling utility cart. The Workpro 3-tier rolling utility cart is a game changer when you need to move heavy items around without breaking a sweat. This cart glides effortlessly thanks to its 4 swivel casters with 2 brakes and 2 stable handles that let you push or pull it in any direction with ease. The 360-degree rotating wheels handle different surfaces smoothly so you can maneuver it through tight spaces in your garage, kitchen, or workshop without any hassle. What really stands out is how strong and reliable this cart feels. It uses quality polypropylene trays paired with durable aluminum alloy frames that hold up well over time. The whole thing supports up to 400 pounds total load, yet only weighs about 19.4 pounds itself, making it sturdy without being bulky. You get long-lasting stability that you can count on day after day. The spacious 3-tier design gives you plenty of room to organize everything you need. The overall size measures 31.5 inches wide by 16.25 inches deep by 36 5/8 inches high. Each tier offers about 12.25 inches of height and a 24 3/8 inch tray length. This setup lets you store a wide variety of tools, supplies, ingredients, or equipment while keeping your workspace neat and efficient. Every tray includes 0.94-inch raised edges on the sides and back to stop items from sliding off during movement. The open front design makes loading and unloading heavy things quick and convenient. You will not struggle to reach in or pull things out even when the cart is fully loaded. Putting it together is straightforward and takes just minutes. You only need a rubber mallet and no other tools. Once assembled, this Workpro cart serves so many purposes. It works great as a food cart in the kitchen, a service cart in a restaurant, an office organizer, or a tool cart in the garage. The versatile design fits right into any environment where you need smart storage and easy transport. The clean lines and practical build of the Workpro 3-tier rolling utility cart make it a solid addition that simplifies daily tasks and keeps everything right where you need it. Coming in at number 4, we have the Sunally 3-tier rolling utility cart. The Sunally 3-tier rolling utility cart brings smart organization right where you need it most. This rolling storage cart features a clever removable drawer on the top tier that creates a perfect hidden spot for all those tiny items that usually get lost. Think bobby pins, spare batteries, lip balm, makeup brushes, charging cables, flash drives, earbuds, and other small essentials. It keeps everything neatly tucked away and easy to find, so you spend less time searching and more time getting things done. You will love how effortlessly this cart moves around your space. The smooth glide wheels roll quietly and smoothly across different floors, while the built-in brakes let you lock it firmly in place whenever you need stability for cleaning or organizing. Whether you are pushing it from the kitchen to the living room or keeping it steady beside your bed, the mobility feels natural and convenient. Setting it up could not be simpler. This Sunally cart assembles in just minutes with a completely tool-free design. You can have your new organizer ready to use in under 10 minutes, which makes it a practical choice even if you are not handy with tools. Built from sturdy plastic, the Sunally 3-tier rolling utility cart handles daily use with ease. It stands up well in humid bathrooms, busy kitchens, dorm rooms, or home offices. The versatile design works beautifully as a makeup trolley, diaper caddy, bedside organizer, snack cart, or even a baby supply organizer. Its durable construction ensures it stays reliable through all kinds of everyday tasks. Plus, you get extra storage with the included hanging cups and hooks. These bonus accessories add even more flexibility, so you can hang towels, tools, or other items right on the side and maximize every inch of space. The clean, practical look of the Sunally 3-tier rolling utility cart fits nicely into any room while delivering real organization that simplifies your daily routine. It is a thoughtful solution that helps keep your home neat and everything within easy reach. At number 3, the Pipishell 3-tier rolling utility cart. The Pipishell 3-tier rolling utility cart offers a practical and stylish way to bring order to your busy spaces. This versatile storage solution uses 20% thicker plastic material that supports up to 13 pounds of weight while encouraging balanced distribution to keep everything stable and safe. Each basket gives you generous room with dimensions of 14.96 inches long by 11.42 inches wide by 2.95 inches high. The 3-tier design creates plenty of space for organizing all sorts of items, making it ideal as a nursery cart, craft cart, pantry cart, bathroom cart, and more. You will find yourself reaching for it in so many different areas of your home. This cart rolls smoothly across floors thanks to 4 heavy-duty industrial-grade caster wheels. 2 of the wheels lock securely in place when you need it to stay put, giving you confidence whether you are moving it around or keeping it stationary during use. The Pipishell rolling cart blends beautifully into any setting. It works wonderfully in nursery rooms, kitchens, craft rooms, laundry rooms, and bathrooms. You can choose from various colors to match your personal style and add a bit of character to your living space while keeping everything neatly organized. Putting it together takes almost no time at all. The tool-free assembly is fast and straightforward with the included instructions. Once set up, you will appreciate the ventilated baskets that allow better airflow for your stored items. The reinforced handles provide a reliable grip, making it easy to push or pull the cart wherever you need extra storage. With its thoughtful details and sturdy build, the Pipishell 3-tier rolling utility cart delivers everyday convenience that helps simplify your routines. It turns cluttered areas into tidy functional zones without taking up too much floor space. In the second spot, we have the Sywhitta 3-tier rolling utility cart. The Sywhitta 3-tier rolling utility cart makes moving your everyday essentials around the house feel effortless and smooth. This practical cart comes with 4 wheels that rotate 360 degrees so you can glide it in any direction you want. 2 of those wheels are lockable, which means you can secure it firmly in place whenever you need stability, even when it is loaded up with heavier items. What stands out right away is how light yet dependable the materials feel. The Sywhitta cart uses a combination of plastic and iron pipe construction that keeps the overall weight manageable while still delivering solid performance over time. The storage baskets are made from plastic that stays relatively light but offers decent load-bearing capacity for daily use. The poles are crafted from iron pipe that resists easy deformation, and the smooth surface ensures it will not scratch your hands when you grip it. This cart truly shines as a multifunctional storage solution. You can place the Sywhitta rolling utility cart in the kitchen for spices and snacks, in the living room for remote controls and magazines, in the bathroom for toiletries, or in the study for books and supplies. It helps organize daily items so everything stays visible and easy to reach. The result is a cleaner home where you spend less time hunting for things and more time enjoying your space. Setting it up is straightforward thanks to the clear installation instructions that come with every Sywhitta cart. The steps are easy to follow, and the manual even details exactly how many accessories you receive. If any questions pop up during assembly, you can reach out for quick support. Most people have the whole thing put together and ready to use in a short time without any special tools. The thoughtful design of the Sywhitta 3-tier rolling utility cart combines convenience, durability, and versatility in one compact package. It brings simple organization to multiple rooms while making transport quick and safe so you can keep your home tidy and functional every single day. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics 3-tier rolling utility cart. The Amazon Basics 3-tier rolling utility cart delivers a strong and reliable way to organize and move your daily essentials with ease. This versatile metal cart works perfectly in the kitchen, garage, or anywhere you need extra storage and mobility for tools, utensils, supplies, food, beverages, toiletries, and much more. What makes it so practical is the 3 horizontally stacked recessed bins that offer generous space while keeping items secure. The mesh bottoms allow for better airflow and quick drainage, which helps prevent moisture buildup and makes cleanup simple. You can stack everything neatly without worrying about things shifting around during movement. Mobility feels effortless thanks to the rolling rubber caster wheels with smooth pivoting action. These wheels let you glide the cart across different floors or even take it outdoors without much effort. Whether you are pushing it from the pantry to the counter or rolling it outside for a barbecue, it handles turns and tight spaces comfortably. The entire Amazon Basics cart features a smooth painted finish with excellent anti-rust properties. This durable coating protects the metal frame so the cart stays looking fresh and performs well whether you use it indoors or outdoors. It stands up to everyday wear while maintaining a clean, modern appearance that fits into any room. You will also appreciate the curved push handle that provides effective steering and added convenience. It gives you a natural grip for better control, making it easy to maneuver even when the cart is fully loaded. With its solid metal build and thoughtful details, the Amazon Basics 3-tier rolling utility cart brings multifunctional organization that simplifies your space. It keeps everything visible, accessible, and ready to go so you can enjoy a tidier home or workspace without the hassle. This practical design truly helps turn clutter into order while offering the flexibility you need for all kinds of tasks. There you have it, the ultimate lineup for portable organization. Check the price link in the description for the best deals on these utility carts today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more great reviews and home upgrades. See you in the next video.